this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to compress and submit a compressed folder in your assignments area. When you are working with files, especially for a website, your file folder size can become quite large because you may have images and pages and other objects that are included in your website. So instead of uploading each individual file, we can have you zip the folder and submit everything in one folder. In order to use the zip compression software, you must first have a zip utility program on your computer. As I mentioned in the assignment about zipping files, there is a free open source software program that can be downloaded and used on your computer, and it's called 7-Zip. And if you need to do that, you can click the link on that assignment page and download that and install it on your computer. Before you do that though, check to see if you happen to have the zip program on there, and you will know if you try to zip a file. Excuse me. The first thing you want to do is locate the folder that you're going to zip. So I'm going to look for that folder, and I happen to have it saved in my Fundamental Web Programming Data Files for Students. And then I'm going to go into the Tutorial 2 folder, and the first one that I'm going to zip is the tutorial folder. I will also submit the review folder, case problem 1, and case problem and one of the other ones for this assignment, or for the apply your knowledge assignment. But let's do the tutorial folder. If you want to zip that, you just simply right click on the folder, and then you'll see some words. In this case, I'm going to use JZip, and you'll see that you can either add to the zip file, or you might see something like add to archive. If you don't see add to zip file, you just simply click on add to zip file, and it creates a file in that folder that ends up being a zip tutorial. So I just simply right clicked again. Let me delete this so that I can show you that one more time. We don't want to have two of them in there. You just simply right click and then go to your zip folder if it's there. And notice I have WinZip as well. That one says add to zip file, and this one says add to zip file as well. So I'm just going to add to tutorial zip is what I want, or add to zip file, and it creates that, and I click add, and then I can close this window, and there's my zip file ready to submit. Now once I'm ready to submit that, then I'm going to just simply close out of my Windows file management program, and I'm going to go ahead and submit this file. So I go down to submit the assignment, click on add edit submission, and then I'm going to browse for that zip folder. And remember, I said it was in my Fundamental Web Programming Data Files for Students Tutorial 2, and there's the tutorial zip. I click on tutorial zip and open it, and it's very quick because it's a much smaller file. I bring it into the submission area and I click submit assignment, and now I've got that tutorial zip folder submitted to the instructor. Once I'm done with that, then I can just go ahead and close out of here because I've submitted it. That's all there is to it, and if you would have any questions, be sure to contact me. about anything that comes up.